Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you will be fit and fine, and in this video I'm going to discuss some daily use English sentences and these sentences are very important. Hope you will use these sentences. वो मुझसे सच्चा प्यार करता है. When somebody loves you from bottom of his heart, so you can say, or he can say, he truly loves me. He truly loves me. सब इच्छा पूरी नहीं होती हैं. Every wish does not come true. Every wish does not come true. यही तुम मुझसे कहा करते थे. दिस इज़ वॉट यू यूज टू से टू मी. दिस इज़ वॉट यू यूज टू से टू मी. क्या मैं सपना देख रहा हूँ? वेन यू आर नॉट एबल टू बिलीव समथिंग, सो यू कैन आस्क समबडी, एम आई ड्रीमिंग? एम आई ड्रीमिंग. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. यह कोई सपने की तरह है. इट्स लाइक आ ड्रीम. इट्स लाइक a dream. It's is a contraction of it and is. यह सपने की तरह लगता है. It seems like a dream. It seems like a dream. It is present indefinite tense. शांत बैठिए, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. when there is a no possibility to happen something, so somebody can say keep quiet, nothing can happen. keep quiet, nothing can happen. तुमने मेरे सारे सपने सच किए. it means somebody have helped you to achieve something in your life, so you can say you have made all my dreams come true. So use this sentence. मेरा सपना डॉक्टर बनने का है. So everybody sets aim in his life. So your dream is also to be a doctor. I hope. My dream is to become a doctor. तुम रसोई में क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing in the kitchen? What are you doing in the kitchen? It is also present continuous tense. एक चीज़ है जिसे रोका नहीं जा सकता है. There is one thing which can't be stopped. Can't is a contraction of cannot. There is one thing which can't be stopped. मेरा सपना आखिरकार पूरा हो गया. When your dream comes true, so you can say my dream finally came true. Came true, it is the second form of come. तुम अपनी पहचान क्यों छुपाते हो? Why do you hide your identity? Why do you hide your identity? वो नौकरी ढूंढो जो तुम अच्छी तरह कर सकते हो. Find that job which you can do properly. Find that job which you can do properly. तुम मेरी आखिरी उम्मीद हो. You are my last hope. You are my last hope when you don't have any other option. सच्चाई से मत भागो. So just have a courage to listen to the truth. Don't run away from reality. Don't run away from reality. तुम हमेशा झूठ बोलते रहे. You kept on lying all the time. Guys, on is not compulsory. Here you can replace or not use on. It will be good if you don't use it. वो किस पर गया है? So its English will be who does he look like? Who does he look like? Somebody means to say that does he look like his father or mother? मुझे समझाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to make me understand. There is no need to make me understand. आपको इसे राज रखना चाहिए था. When somebody shares something publicly, so you can say you should have kept it secret. You should have kept it secret. वो मेरा बिना बात पर मजाक बना रहा था. He was mocking me for no reason. He was mocking me for no reason. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to me. It is past indefinite tense. पीछा छूटा उससे. So you can use this sentence in your daily life when you don't want somebody to be stay around you. So you can say good riddance to him. मैंने उसे अपने सपनों में देखा. I saw him in my dreams. I saw him in my dreams. Next sentence is मुझे तुम्हारा मोबाइल कमरे में मिला. When you found somebody's phone in the room, so you can say I found your mobile in the room. I found your mobile in the room and you are searching here and there. So here comes our question of the day in which I will ask you the translation of Hindi sentence. You have to translate into English. So sentence is क्या ये तुम्हारी इच्छा है? So you have to translate if you know, otherwise I can tell you in the comment section below. मुझे ये आसान लगा. I found it very easy. I found it very easy. इसमें समझने का क्या है? What's there to understand? Guys, I have contracted what is as what's there to understand. उसमें थोड़ी सी भी अक्ल नहीं है. He doesn't have a bit sense. He doesn't have a bit sense. केवल तुम यह काम कर सकते हो. Only you can do this work. Guys, can is a modal verb used to show possibilities or ability as well. Okay. मैं तुम्हारा अच्छा चाहता हूँ. I wish your well. What will be its English? I wish your well. तुम समझे नहीं जो मैंने कहा. Didn't you understand what I said? Didn't is a contraction of did and not. Didn't you understand what I said? You can say fluently. तुम्हारा कोई जवाब नहीं है. When nobody can replace you, so you can say and anybody can say you have no match. You have no match. तुमने मेरी सारी उम्मीद पर पानी फेर दिया. So its English will be you crushed my hopes. You crushed my hopes. तुम्हारी सोच गलत नहीं है. योर माइंडसेट इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग. योर माइंडसेट इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग. यह विजेता की घोषणा करने का समय है. इट्स टाइम टू अनाउंस द विनर. इट्स टाइम टू अनाउंस द विनर. इट्स इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इट एंड इज. किसी दिन मेरा सपना सच होगा. सम डे माई ड्रीम विल कम ट्रू. सम डे माई ड्रीम विल कम ट्रू. होप ऑल ऑफ योर्स ड्रीम कम ट्रू. उसके सारे दांत गिर गए. ऑल हिज टीथ फैल आउट. ऑल हिज टीथ फैल आउट. तुम मेरे पास आ सकते हो इफ़ यू हैव सैनिटाइज्ड योर हैंड एंड वॉश योर फेस एंड बॉडी प्रॉपरली. सो यू कैन कम टू मी. यू कैन कम टू मी. मैंने तुम्हें बनाया है. सो यू मे हैव हर्ड दिस सेंटेंस इन द फिल्म नेम रोबोट. सो दैट द साइंटिस्ट मेड अ रोबोट. सो ही कैन से आई हैव मेड यू. यह तुम्हारा अंत है. व्हेन दैट रोबोट टर्न्स आउट इनटू द बैड थिंग, सो दैट मे बी हिज एंड स्टार्टेड. दिस इज़ योर एंड. दिस इज़ योर एंड. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? वाई हैव यू कम हियर. वाई हैव यू कम हियर. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सब चीज़ में समय लगता है. सो दिस इज़ द रियलिटी दैट एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. सो डोंट बी अपसेट. मैं यहाँ काम करूँगा. आई विल वर्क हियर. आई विल वर्क हियर. आपके लिए. फॉर यू. तुम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? वाई डू यू थिंक सो. वाई डू यू थिंक सो. क्या ये सच है? So somebody can ask you the difference between true or fiction. So he may ask you that is it true? Is it true? क्या यह इस समस्या का समाधान है? Is it the solution to this problem? Is it the solution to this problem? ये आपको बचा सकता है. When something can save you and something can rescue you, so you can say it can save you. It can save you. यह बहुत ज़रूरी है. When something is very mandatory for you, so it's very important. It's very important. Instead of important, you can use the word that is mandatory or essential as well. Okay? तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो. You are coming with me. You are coming with me. समझ गए? So most of the time you use this sentence in Hindi. Now start speaking the sentence with the help of English. Got it? Got it? वो कौन है? So somebody strange is standing somewhere. So you can ask somebody who is he? Who is that person standing there? So you can ask like this way. उसने गौर नहीं किया. He didn't notice. as I told you in the starting of the sentence or video that didn't is a contraction of did and not, and it is past and definite tense because did comes in the past tense if the sentence is negative or interrogative, because in the affirmative sentence or simple sentence there is a second form of the verb used as it is simple sentence. So I hope you must have understand this concept and you must have enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, where are you going? Just subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I regularly upload videos on my channel, that is English ka Gyan. So meet you next video. Catch you next video. Bye.